You wouldn't expect this phone to glow, and you can even doodle on it, getting an early look at the unreleased Redmi K100 Pro. Wow, this screen really catches the eye. The overall design is basically the same as the previous generation, with a horizontal metal camera module. Next to it is the Bose sound branding. The matte fluorescent green back, combined with the matching metal frame, delivers that signature flagship feel. With a 6.59-inch body and rounded frame, the handling this time is truly beyond words. The key is that this time, Redmi added a little clever touch light sound. Didn't expect that, did you? This phone actually glows. The entire back cover is luminous. Can you believe it? This fluorescent green really looks like it is glowing from within, and the brightness is just right, so it is not too harsh at night. Not only that, you can use this special fluorescent pen to draw or write on it. The entire back panel acts like a drawing board, allowing for any doodle design you want. Of course, it will fade away after a while, so you do not have to worry about it staying lit. Finally, let us take a look at its performance. This time, the K100 Pro uses the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 straight-screen version V-series processor. Although it is a new version of the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 straight-screen series, the CPU and GPU architecture are exactly the same, and even the prime core clock speed is 4.6 GHz. Let's look at its gaming performance. Playing Genshin Impact at extreme graphics settings for 30 minutes, the average frame rate is 59.7 frames, and the average power consumption is only 3.4 watts. You can rest assured about this performance, it is truly at a flagship level. Plus, with the support of a secondary dedicated graphics chip, you can enable super resolution and frame interpolation simultaneously for an even better gaming experience. Not only that, it now even supports an ultra-high image quality at 185 frames per second for a native gaming experience. Especially when playing first-person shooter games, aiming and flicking are faster than ever. The instantaneous touch sampling rate has been upgraded to 4800 Hz, making clicks more responsive and preventing any drag during fast swipes. Plus, with the Bose sound effects enabled, footsteps are significantly enhanced, making it easier to pinpoint enemies by sound. This kind of gaming experience is just incredible. Alright, for more hands-on details, we will see you at the launch event on August 11th.